Hi everybody. I know I always am not in the frame, but this time I'll make sure I am in the frame. So, hi everyone. My name is Priya. If you're new here, my name is Priya Kirar, and I'm a full-time cabin crew. I have recently started this channel, and I'm very glad if you're here, if you're watching. So let's start with, if you could like this video, subscribe this, or do whatever the basics are. So, I'll have to go look into my script and come back because I never prepare myself. I just come straight in front of the camera and start speaking. So there's that. I'll see you in a bit. Hi everybody, I'm back. So today's video is actually really interesting, and a lot of people have asked me about this thing. That is, what were the ways how I improved my English, or how do I speak, why communication is really important and the public speaking and all. So before diving into that, I'll just start with the basics, okay? Let's start with we'll start with that English is just a language, okay? It's just a language. Don't put a lot of pressure on yourself because of it. Just because everybody around is, you know, कि इंग्लिश इंग्लिश इंग्लिश, आप अपने आप को इतना मत उसमें वो करो कि यार अगर मुझे नहीं आएगा तो मैं पता नहीं क्या हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट ए लैंग्वेज. एंड कोई भी आज तक ऐसा पैदा नहीं हुआ जिसको बचपन से पता हो कि आई नो दिस आई नो दैट. किसी को इंग्लिश बचपन से नहीं आती, राइट? वी इट्स अ स्किल एंड दिस इज समथिंग वी कैन डेवलप एंड वी कैन मास्टर. सो मुझे भी बचपन से नहीं आती थी. आई वॉज वेरी बैड, बट वॉट आई डिड वॉज आई इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ. आई वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूब. आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ. एंड ये सब कब होता है? जब हम अपने आप पे ध्यान देना स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब हमें लगता है कि आई नीड टू फोकस ऑन माई सेल्फ बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट्स गोना बी. If you are like that, if you think that you want to improve yourself, then only you are, then only you all should be here, otherwise you can leave. Because if you don't have that will, you can never do it. Just ये सोचते हो ना कि ये वीडियो देख के I learn, वो वीडियो देख के I learn, you can never learn. So understand, first of all, you should have commitment towards something. If you don't have the commitment, you can't do it. And it's just not you. और जिनको मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं अपने भाइयों को भी यही बोलती हूँ कि तुम लोगों को इंग्लिश सीखना है, so commit yourself to it ना. And it's not just about English. किसी भी चीज़ के लिए होता है, अपने आप को आप you have to put your brain into it, that मुझे ये करना है. जैसे ही हमारी मेंटालिटी बनती है, we are able to do it. So my script is here. Don't think that I'm looking here and there all the time. Okay, so we can start with the thing that English, I mean, I think in today's world, people have made a very big deal out of it. Ki, oh my god, you don't know English. Oh, you can't speak like that. Oh, this is all bullshit, okay? Don't ever let anybody overpower you because you don't know English. And अगर आप सीखना ट्राई करोगे, आप सीख लोगे. इट्स नॉट दैट बिग ऑफ अ डील. मतलब मुझे हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट था टू लर्न इंग्लिश, टू बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि मैंने इंग्लिश सीखा बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू बी अ क्रू. इट्स अ बेसिक थिंग, एनी बडी कुड डू इट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि अगर आपको क्रू बनना है, कैप्टन बनना है, ये बनना है, वो बनना है, आपको तभी इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए. इट्स जस्ट अ बेसिक स्किल, राइट? हम डेली लैंग्वेज में नहीं बात करते क्या? हम बाहर जाते तो हम नहीं रेफर करते हैं क्या इंग्लिश से? अब लेट्स कम टू कि इंग्लिश सीखना क्यों ज़रूरी है. इट्स सिंपली लाइक द सिंपल वे टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. If not in Hindi, we communicate in English. It's like an international language which is known in every place. So we refer to it, right? So अब जैसे when I started giving interviews, you think कि I am very confident, I talk like that all the time. No. When I started, okay, before starting all of this, I want to clear this thing with you all, that it's not that I just got selected with Air India. It has been like, this is my second year. I got selected 2023. So because I posted that video now and you all thought that I just got in, and then I got a question that, oh, Air India is not even hiring, then how you got hired and all that. So there's that. And for the hiring part now, I'll make a separate video about it, but later, not today. I don't know, I'll let you know. Coming back to our topic, this thing, yeah. So I'll give you one example. I guess I have shared this in my previous video also. So what happened was, when I first went to my interview, I cleared the GD, I cleared the BMI. I'm talking about Air India here, okay? So now the third round was PI1. PI1 is like, there's a lady, HR, she'll talk to you and ask you basic questions. If she thinks that you are qualified, she gives sends you in the next round. Now that lady, she asked me that, Priya, what is a noble profession according to you? trust me, in that moment I was not prepared. It was my first interview. I was like, what have you asked me, man? I don't know what to reply. I choked. I didn't know what to say. And it's pretty easy, like it's pretty common. ऐसा कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि दुनिया ख़त्म हो गई अगर उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा मैं नहीं आंसर दे पाई. You know what I did? I was like, I just need some water. Can I have some water? And as soon as I opened the bottle, I drank water. She knew I didn't know, and I'm not confident enough. She even listened to my answer, but then she asked me to leave politely. So what I'm trying to say is, it's not how you say. You don't have to use fancy words to improve your English. As long as you're speaking confidently and you're speaking what is there in your mind and it's absolutely correct, that's it. एक तो लोग इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट करने लग जाते हैं इंग्लिश को लेके कि ओ इफ़ आई यूज़ द वर्ड दिस, इफ़ आई यूज़ द वर्ड दैट. इट्स गुड इफ़ योर बेसिक्स आर रियली क्लियर. इट्स गुड, प्लीज़ डू इट, बट डोंट ट्राई टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. We always start at the foundations, right? कोई भी सीधा वहाँ पे नहीं. Like how I improved was 2 things: watch a lot of YouTube. Second, just sit in front of the mirror and talk. Now you'll think this is very stupid. People will laugh at you. Your family will think you have gone crazy. Let them think that. Let them. It's okay. They're your family. If not today, after 2 years, they'll understand you. But don't let other people, like your friends, influence over you, that what are you doing, are you stupid, this, that. Okay, so you sit there and you talk about anything. You can talk about whatever thing you like. It could be food, music, a different band, whatever it is. It's your day, it's your mirror, it's you're talking to yourself, and you should know what you're saying. That's it. And when you think that, now I have a bit of a confidence, I can talk, I feel I can make up sentences, then you start talking to random people. Till the time आपके अंदर का डर नहीं जाएगा कि you'll be very introvert. I'm not saying being introvert is a bad thing, it's fine. But if you want to come in this industry, you can't be an introvert. You can't be. Because just think about it. If I am doing 4 sectors, I'll just give you an example. If I'm doing, say, Delhi, Bangalore, Bangalore, Delhi, Delhi, Jaipur, Jaipur, Delhi, 4 sectors, right? Every sector I'm meeting 180 people, and that is just passengers. And don't you think they'll approach you? Only 5 crew are there in an aircraft. They will absolutely reach you. And if somebody, if one passenger has asked you that, why is the delay, what will you say? Okay, this, that. No, you should know. Are you understanding? I am not trying to be that mean person who is telling you that you can't learn. You can learn. But first of all, we have to make our mind. Till the time we have not made our mind, we cannot learn anything. That is the thing. That is the foundation of anything. Are you understanding? Yeah, so I am back. So we were talking about all this thing now. Some people think that communication is about what I'm saying, right? Public speaking is about what I'm talking, what are my words, how I'm building up my sentences. If you have that thing, if you think that this is how you're going to learn how to speak, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, but this is not how you're going to learn how to speak. So, I feel communication is a major part. However, there are a lot of factors which associate it. If you have noticed in my videos, I use my hands a lot, like a lot. Whatever I'm saying, my hands are moving. That means your hand gestures are very important. Your body language is very important. If I'm recording this video, I'm sitting straight. What if I was sitting like this? Okay, hi guys, how are you? How are you doing today? तुम लोग को interest आता, तुम लोग को नहीं interest आता ना? It's very basic. If I'm speaking professionally, you think like, yeah, I should listen to her because she is looking like that, right? So understand. There are 2-3 things which you should do. Pointers I'll give you, okay? When you're speaking, make sure you're sitting straight. Your back is straight. Or you are like that. That yes, I'm listening to you. I'm invested in you, okay? Second thing is use your hands. Like don't overdo it that this, that, how are you guys? This is... We don't have to overdo, but we have to know how much and kitna kahan pe kya kaise karna hai. Are you understanding? So like a bit here and there, that usse kya dikhta hai na, that you're engaging your body while you're talking. Okay, third point is major tip. If you'll do this, trust me, people will think that you're confident. That is, look into their eyes. Whenever you're talking to them, look into their eyes. कुछ लोग बहुत जल्दी इंटिमिडेट हो जाते हैं. And this is, I do this so much. Whenever I'm talking to somebody, I look into their eyes. And that, oh, I got a mail. Let me check. Yeah, so what I was saying that आप लोग जितना आई कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन करोगे ना, कोई भी बंदा है हु इज़ प्रोफेशनल, दे easily understand that you are somebody, that you have the confidence to look into somebody's eyes. Because आप देखो, जब हमें कुछ नहीं आता हम लोग नर्वस होते हैं, हाउ डू वी टॉक, येस या दैट या, वी आर नॉट स्टिल, राइट, वी आर हियर और देयर. So, are you understanding the pointers I gave you? You sit straight, you keep your body straight, you use your hands, you use the gestures, and you maintain the eye contact with them. Okay, now fourth thing would be, whatever you want to speak, you speak with clarity. That means, just कभी कभी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें ना बोलते रहना चाहिए, बोलते रहना चाहिए, वो awkward silence नहीं होना चाहिए. No, nobody cares about the awkward silence. If you're in an interview, if they're asking you something, you answer that only. आप जितना ज़्यादा चीज़ को ओवरडू करोगे, लोग उतना ज़्यादा सोच, फिर दिल क्रॉस क्वेश्चन यू अबाउट एनीथिंग. ओह अच्छा, यू सेड दैट, टेल मी अबाउट दैट. सो जितना पूछा जाए उतना बताया जाए, इतना बेसिक अपने चीज़ को रखो, ठीक है. अब जैसे she asked me about this thing and I said this is what I know. They'll appreciate your honesty. Okay, they'll actually appreciate your honesty. अगर आप बोलोगे कि this is there, that is not there. अगर मैं इंटरव्यू में जाके बोलती हूँ उनको कि oh I know makeup, this makeup I have done, this hair I have done, I have pulled off this outfit, तो वो लोग अगर गलती से मुझसे क्रॉस क्वेश्चन होता कि अच्छा if you know about makeup, tell me how you have done it. You can't tell, right? So understand, लाइक आपका फाउंडेशन क्लियर है ना, बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू शुड नो वट यूर डूइंग, यू शुड नो वट यूर गेटिंग योर सेल्फ इन टू, ठीक है. ओके, येस, आई एम बैक अगेन. सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉज है ना, लाइक पॉज है ना, एंड दैट यू नो दैट यू हैव टू टॉक स्लोली. बिकॉज हम जितना जल्दी जल्दी बोलने का ट्राई करते हैं ना, हम उतना ही नर्वस दिखते हैं. हमें लगता है कि ओ मैं सही तो बोल रही हूँ, मैं कितने अच्छे से बोल रही हूँ, बट मैं जितना ज़्यादा जल्दी बोल रही हूँ, सामने वाले को पता चल रहा है दैट आई एम नर्वस. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स वेरी ईजी टू मेक अ डिफरेंस इफ समबडी इज़ कॉन्फिडेंट और समबडी इज़ नर्वस. अब आप लोगों ने बहुत सुना होगा फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट, बट गेट इट इनटू योर लाइफ. आपको पता है, आप पहली बार इंटरव्यू के लिए आए हो, आपको पता है क्या चीज़ कैसे होनी है, कैसी नहीं हुई है आपकी लाइफ में, बट दूसरे बंदे को नहीं पता. फॉर दैट पर्सन यू आर जस्ट अ न्यू पर्सन हु डजंट नो एनीथिंग. लेट गो ऑफ योर फियर्स, लेट गो ऑफ योर इनसिक्योरिटीज़. डोंट गो देयर एंड थिंक कि मैं ऐसी लग रही हूँ, मैं वैसी लग रही हूँ, मुझे ये नहीं आता, मुझे वो नहीं आता. उस बंदे को तो नहीं पता ना, एंड जब तक वो पूछेगा नहीं, उसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा, एंड आप आगे से बताओगे नहीं इफ़ यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ. So we talk as if we know everything and we have that confidence. Okay, now yeah, I was just seeing the script. Yeah, don't think I'm looking here and there. So the thing was that you learn from others. By learn from others, I mean that you are looking up to some videos, you're looking into somebody that this person I like, I'm listening to their videos. बट आप क्या देखते हो, आप सिर्फ देखते हो कि हाउ इज़ दैट पर्सन टॉकिंग, है ना, उन्होंने क्या एडवाइस दे दिया, उस एडवाइस को फॉलो कर लिया. ऐसे नहीं होता. आप खुद नोटिस करो. इफ़ सम लाइक अगर आप सब लोग टेड टॉक्स देखते हो, हु इज़ योर फेमस पर्सन, लाइक हु इज़ योर फेवरेट पर्सन हु इज़ फेमस, हु टॉक्स नाइसली, यू टेक प्रियंका चोपड़ा, दैट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव यू. You just don't listen to her talk, right? You listen how she is talking, like the way she's talking, the way she's using the pauses. अब कोई एक नॉर्मल सा सेंटेंसेस है, आप लोगों को क्यों लगता है इंग्लिश में दिस कॉमा, एपोस्ट्रफी, फुल स्टॉप, ये क्यों होता है? ये इसलिए होता है टू मेक अ सेंटेंस साउंड बेटर. इफ देयर इज अ फुल स्टॉप, वी पुट अ pause of 2 seconds and then we continue. Are you understanding? Second thing about this science thing I have told you, and I hope you all have understood what I have said and you all have got a vague idea. The next video I'm going to make about, actually I'll make now only. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll see you all back again soon. I'm gonna make a video about how to clear your GD rounds. What can you say? How can you talk? So I'll see you all around. Bye bye for now. Take care. I love you all so much. If you want to listen anything specific, you can always let me know. I'm here, and it was very nice to talk to you all. It was me who was talking. You all are listening, and you all are gonna comment now. So I'm waiting for your comments. Just like the video, subscribe, and I'll know that you have liked it. Bye bye.